If you're still copy pasting random prompts from the internet, your content will always look random. And honestly, it will probably never give you the results you are hoping for. The funny thing is, we are all using the same AI tools, the same ChatGPT, the same Gemini, the same Claude. Yet, some people are using these tools to grow businesses, land freelance clients, build their personal brands, and even earn money online. On the other hand, some people are still stuck clicking regenerate again and again, hoping the next response will be magically better. So, what's the difference? Just one thing: the prompt. Hi, I'm Amama, an AI content creator with a background in design and marketing, and welcome to the Prompt Playbook. In this series, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about prompting: how to write prompts that actually save you time, generate unique content, and help you grow your business, social media, or career. Because trust me, learning prompting has saved me countless hours of work and effort. And the best part is, it isn't rocket science. It's much easier than most people think. If you're a freelancer, a student, content creator, homemaker, office worker, or someone looking to start a side hustle, I genuinely believe this series will help you. AI isn't replacing people who know how to use it. It's replacing repetitive work. So before someone else starts working smarter while you are still working harder, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we are starting right from the basics. First things first, let's clear up one of the biggest misconceptions almost everyone says. I use AI, but technically that's not correct. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Meta AI, these are AI tools, not AI itself. You might be thinking, is there really a difference? Yes, there is. And understanding it will actually help you become better at using these tools. Think of AI as electricity. Electricity is the power, but can you make a smoothie with electricity? Of course not. You need a blender that's powered by electricity. In exactly the same way, AI is the technology running in the background while ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and other apps are simply tools powered by AI. So throughout this series, whenever I say AI tools, you'll know exactly what I mean. Now let's understand something even more important. These tools don't have a brain like humans do. They don't wake up with opinions or suddenly become creative on their own. They simply process information. They look at the instructions you give them, combine that with the data they have been trained on, information available to them, conversation history, and patterns they have learned from millions of examples. Then they predict the most appropriate response based on everything they have understood. That's why sometimes AI feels incredibly smart, and other times it feels completely useless. The tool isn't randomly becoming smarter or dumber. It's simply responding to the quality of instructions you are giving. And this brings us to the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. Most people think AI gives bad answers, but in reality, most of the time we ask bad questions. Imagine walking up to a designer and saying, "Make me a logo." That's it. No company name, no business, no colors, no audience, no style. Would you expect an amazing logo? Probably not. Now imagine saying, "Design a modern minimalist logo for a coffee shop called Brew Haven. Use earthy colors and explain the design concept." Suddenly, the designer knows exactly what you want. AI works exactly the same way. The more clearly you communicate, the better it performs. A lot of people think good prompts have to be long. Not at all. A good prompt doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be clear. Tell the AI what you want it to do. Give it enough context, set a few boundaries, and explain what kind of output you are expecting. Otherwise, you're forcing the AI to guess. And whenever AI has to guess, you usually end up with generic responses that sound like everyone else's. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of write a blog. Try something like write an 800-word beginner-friendly blog on the benefits of AI for small businesses. Use a conversational tone, include headings, and end with a call to action. See the difference? You're not making the AI smarter, you're simply removing the guessing. Here's another one. Instead of saying write a caption, try write a short Instagram caption for a Canva animation tutorial. Start with a hook, keep it under 120 words, and end with a call to action. Or instead of saying summarize, say summarize this article into 5 simple bullet points highlighting only the key takeaways. Or instead of make an image, try create a minimalist illustration of a cozy home office with warm lighting, indoor plants, and a soft pastel color palette. Notice what's happening? Same tool, same AI, completely different results. Now here's the little cheat code I want you to remember. Every good prompt usually answers 4 simple questions. Who? Who should the AI become? Should it think like a designer, a marketer, a teacher, a copywriter, or maybe you don't need a role at all? What? What's the task? Write, explain, analyze, generate, summarize. How? How should it do it? Professionally, funny, short, detailed, simple English for beginners with examples. And finally, the output. How do you want the answer? Paragraphs, bullet points, a table, a script, a checklist. The clearer these four things are, the better your results become. So, from today onwards, before you hit enter on any prompt, quickly ask yourself these four questions. Just this small habit alone will instantly improve the quality of your AI responses. And don't worry if it still feels confusing right now. The series is designed to take you from complete beginner to writing prompts confidently. In the next episode, I'll show you exactly how I write prompts for content creation, along with some simple shortcuts that save me a huge amount of time and help me get much better results. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Prompt Playbook.